Hey there everybody, welcome to part 2 of my AMT 1957 Chevy model kit. So this one's going together pretty well. It's an old AMT kit. It's not great, it's not perfect, but it's coming together. So let me start you off here with the chassis real quick here. The chassis was pretty much all one piece. The exhausts were molded in, the rear suspension you had to put on, and the front suspension part you had to put on, and then the engine connects in there. What I find funny is the exhaust goes to the rear suspension and does not come out the back. Unless these are the... It doesn't really connect. I don't know. You think that's the exhaust right there? Right on top there? I don't know. You know what? Maybe I could paint that and maybe it'll make it look like the exhaust comes out. But I was trying to follow it along there and it was like, the exhaust doesn't come out the back. But I'm thinking maybe we'll do out the back there. Just to simulate an exhaust. The engine, highly under detailed, being an old AMT kit, leaves much to be desired. The pulleys here were all bent, so that's all goofy. Obviously, I need some touch-up paint here on the blacks, because I paint everything on the tree and then put it on and then do all the touch-ups. Engine fit okay in. Need some touch-up on the silver there. Hits the drive shaft here. That connects into the rear suspension. Not a lot to be desired. So, got the interior going here. It's white and just the tester's green. Started here. Obviously, I hand painted this. It's going to need a second coat. So, I'm going to do the green again. I'm waiting for this to dry up a bit. Do another coat of green. And then on the doors here, I'm going to have silver and white accent panels. Should be okay. Paint up the pedals. These seats look pretty good there. Need a little touch-up. Dashboard. Where's it at? Right there. Obviously needs another touch of green, but it leaves a lot to be detailed. So once that focuses, I should be able to, there it goes. I should be able to do a little bit with that. So that should be fun to do. Like I said, just needs another coat of green. One of the things I'm very disliking is these wheels. So this kit had a lot of flash on it and a lot of flash to take care of on. So I did the wheels the same color as the body here, and I'm thinking I may pull these hubcap things off. These had a lot of flash on them. They look like crap. This wheel just fell off the car. It's metal axles on these here. Which sometimes I don't have good luck. These hubcap things look like crap on this. I don't like this. I may pull those off. Let's see if I can find some little steelies off another car. And then paint the wheels maybe to the same green as that, just to kind of offset the body a little bit. But this looks like garbage. I don't like this at all. Like I said, it's the metal axles that goes through. I don't have it on that one, but it's the metal axle that goes through. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. This one's okay. I need to hammer down on that one. So, put the wheels out of the way. Now the body, doing a two-tone here. So, it's got a white top on it. And then I took... Duplicolor. I love this Duplicolor stuff. This is a Chrysler color, but it's emerald green pearl. And it's kind of dark. I got it in the light right now. But I think that looks pretty sharp. Just white on the top. So obviously I need to paint all the chrome. And once I paint it all up, I'm going to mask that off real nice. Try to paint it, because it's a lot of painting there. Now there's a decal for this fin here. But I've been told that that decal is not great. So I don't know if I'm going to use that. So that may all be painted. Paint all the trim around the windows. I think that looks pretty good. I think it was a little darker than I wanted. But I think it's going to be okay. Put this in here. And then he's going to have the little engine. So. And then even with the wheels on the car. I don't know. That just doesn't look good. Well, either way, I'm going to keep working on it, because that's what I do. Stay tuned for a part 3, because I'm going to keep working, and there's going to be a part 3. And, yeah. Alright, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys around.